Hi! Welcome to K-Math TV. In this video, I'll show you how to subtract mixed numbers with dissimilar fractions without regrouping. Okay, let's solve the first example, 10 and 4/5 minus 8 and 1/3. The denominators of the fractions are not the same, 5 and 3. To subtract mixed numbers with dissimilar fractions, the first step is to change the fractions to similar fractions using the least common denominator or the LCD. Okay, let's change the fractions to similar fractions. The denominators are 5 and 3. 5 and 3 are both prime numbers. That means they don't have other common factor aside from 1. So, we can easily find the least common denominator by multiplying the numbers. If we multiply 5 times 3, the product is 15. Therefore, the least common denominator or LCD is 15. Okay, let's write the answer. Let's copy the whole number 10 and LCD 15 minus whole number 8, then LCD 15. Next, let's find the numerators. Okay, for the minuend, let's divide 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. The numerator of the minuend is 12. For the subtrahend, let's divide 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. The numerator of the subtrahend is 5. Okay, we already changed the fractions to similar fractions. The denominators are the same. Next is to subtract. Subtract the fractions first by subtracting the numerators. Okay, let's subtract 12 minus 5 equals 7. And copy the LCD 15. Then, subtract also the whole numbers. 10 minus 8 equals 2. The answer is 2 and 7/15. The fraction 7/15 is already in lowest term because the numerator and the denominator do not have other common factor aside from 1. So, this is now the answer. Next example, let's subtract 3 and 7/8 minus 2 and 3/4. Again, the fractions are dissimilar. The denominators are not the same. So, the first step is to get the LCD and change the fractions to similar fractions. To find the LCD, you can use either listing method, prime factorization, or continuous division. But in this problem, I'll show you the technique in finding the LCD. Okay, let's take a look at the denominators. 8 and 4. The bigger number is 8 and the smaller number is 4. Is the bigger number 8 divisible by the smaller number 4? Yes. Therefore, the LCD of 8 and 4 is 8. Okay, let's write the answer. Let's copy the whole number 3 and write the LCD 8 minus whole number 2 and LCD 8. Next, let's find the numerators. Okay, for the minuend, let's divide 8 divided by 8 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. Let's do the same in the subtrahend. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay, the fractions now are similar. The denominators are the same. Next is to subtract. Subtract the fractions first by subtracting the numerators. 7 minus 6 equals 1. And copy the LCD 8. Then, subtract also the whole numbers. 3 minus 2 equals 1. The answer is 1 and 1/8. The fraction is already in lowest term because the numerator is 1. So, this is the final answer.